Hi, I'm Ron Murray with Montana Murray Kennels. We're going to go over how to clear tears and stains from your puppy's eyes. So one of the things you want to make sure is that you have a good quality product. You don't really want to be using just plain water when you're wiping your puppy's eyes. Find a product that's out there that's specifically for cleaning puppies, dogs, cats' eyes. And when you do, you're going to have just one wipe per eye. Don't try to use the same wipe per both eye, because if you do have something going on, we don't want a lot of cross-contamination going on. We're trying to clean up an issue. We don't want to make it worse as we go. So make sure you have something that's really reputable that you're going to use with them. So you really want to work on going down and out and away from the eye, where you're cleaning out that very bottom. Because usually if you're having goops and problem with the eye, it's going to be down in this area right here anyways. And that's really important that you go from down and out. You don't want to bring stuff back into the eye. That way if you actually do have some debris that you're working with, you don't want to put that directly into the puppy's eyes. The idea is to be cleaning it out. You can blot, and then once you get in there, and if you have some stuff that needs a little bit, don't be afraid to use just a little bit of firmness to get in there and make sure you're cleaning it out. And that is, if you need to bring the puppy a little bit closer to you, make them feel secure while you're doing this. And then on the other side, same exact thing, and back down and out. And you might see, kind of like how I'm holding the puppy, I want to make sure I have good control over their head while I'm doing this too. So you might grab a hold right on the very bottom, or even ask someone to give you an assist when doing this with the pup. Good boy, Luciano. And this is how you clean a puppy's eyes.